Hey, hey, Weathered Shed friends, hello. How's everybody doing? I am in my workshop, air-conditioned workshop, just prepping for the demo that I'm going to be doing tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. So I just wanted to hop on, tell you guys a little bit about it, and if you're hanging out, thought maybe you'd like to stop by and say hi. I'm just pulling you up on my iPad. Tomorrow's demo, guys, 10 a.m. Central. This is project number 3 of my IOD Gallery Wall. So if you have been following along, I have already completed 2 of the, 24 pieces that are going to be a part of this gallery